USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share right there. And below the video we have some links. The first link says swing like a pro. So click on the first link, come to this page right here, go and check out these videos, these setups, the breakups. So go and check them out. We have taken these trades in the past and you will see how they work, and then you can join the program if you want. And the second link says book consultation, check the brokers, so you can join the brokers and book consultation if you speak with me 1-to-1. And the third link is absolutely free. Go and join my free Telegram for sure. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, what is going on here? Weekly, we are in the uptrend. Okay, daily is now we are also above the EMA, but 4 hour we are exhausted, as you can see. So USD CAD is saying right now, touch me not. Okay, don't try to find opportunity in USD CAD right now. Avoid it. We are exhausted. Okay, we had been going up, up. You can see this pair has been fucked up. So you see from here it went up, then it came down, then it went up again. It's fucked up. There's no opportunity here, because what happens when there is a breakout above the EMA? So this breakout, and then it was supposed to touch the EMA, and then it was supposed to go up, which didn't happen. Okay, this candle was the fucked up candle. So people might have thought that, okay, so this is your EMA breakout, then pull back to till the EMA, then bullish engulfing, and then see what happened. They got fucked up. The stop losses got hit. Okay, the same thing here. Again, we are above the EMA, but we'll either make a new high and then you will wait for the pullback and then you'll be F up. I guess we are exhausted in uptrend right now in Delhi, as well as in 4 hour we are exhausted. At least wait for the pullback. Okay, at least wait for the price to touch this EMA and then we will decide. So for now, USD CAD, don't take any trades, don't look for anything. The rest is your call. You have Euro, USD, GBP, USD to trade with. Go and check out my Euro and GBP video anyway. So that's it. And if you like what you see, subscribe, like and share. I'll see you in the next videos. Till then, you know what to do. Bye bye. Subscribe and like.